Yo, what is going on, guys? It is your boy Whipster here, and welcome back to another world history video. In today's video, we'll be talking about whether or not video games kill. But before that, make sure you guys smash that like button, comment down below, and subscribe. Alright, let's jump into it. So in this specific video, I'll be going into detail about my first subtopic. For those who've forgotten, my thesis is, although video games expose children and teenagers to violent and graphic content, video games do not lead to violent action. Since children can differentiate between real and make-believe violence, they directly affect and impact regions of the brain such as information organization parts of the brain and the part of the brain that controls fine motor skills. And the people that are most affected are people with mental conditions which help push them towards violence that are simulated in video games. So from my previous video, I decided to change my thesis, specifically the third prong of my thesis, but that won't have any implications on today's video. For in today's video, we'll be discussing how children can differentiate between real and make-believe violence. So looking at this clip right here, we can see how unrealistic the violence of video games is. The dude in the clip is literally just kicking the other dude in there multiple times, hitting him and punching him. Obviously, to any sensible human, they would understand this is completely unrealistic and thus is not real. Even according to the APA, or the American Psychological Association, children's brains can easily perceive cartoonish and fantasy violence, for it is nothing like they've ever experienced before, so their brains aren't actually able to link that action to something they've experienced before. And for teenagers and adults, the APA explains that our brains have matured to the point that there is no discrepancy between fake and real violence. Violence in media such as television, movies, and even video games are heavily exaggerated, and allows the user to make a clear difference between what is happening on screen versus what occurs in real life. Looking at this clip of a person slapping the head of another person, it is much more watered down in terms of violence compared to the last clip in which the dude was hitting and punching the person while in midair. Our brains have matured enough to that when looking at these two clips, we can easily understand what is real and what is dangerous versus what is obviously faked. So with that being said, that's going to wrap up this video, and if someone hasn't told you that you're awesome, then they're doing something wrong. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.